Parliament, it's now go speaker one. Mama to kwebaza, webale gabula gomba. Kuyangaba nabo, kabule tukuta. Stove. Okay, bateke yuko kubiyimba. Wewawo, abamleta sama kozo. Wewawo, tuyanzisa mikwano. Speaker Parliament, Sabo mama. Parliament yakubirevu. Speaker wa Fuwa Tosoza. Tuyanze nyopeyazi. Webale. Tusima wadala. Webale kujja mu gomba, kukyali omubaka, onalebelebele kutoseza, webale. Mwatara bahima bazaire.
Omuntu wahente n'ozomukisane n'abakuru. Okashaka kureba rw'umushana na watwini. Thank you so much. I don't know how much time you have.
To be a visitor in Sabo County. This Sabo County is 2 years old. It's a newly established Sabo County, but with all blessings, with all, you can see even the ladies here, they are all fertile. They are not complaining. They are not like the noble women. So, time is not friendly. Mugenda kunzikiriza. Chairman Waraja Baniriza, you are ushered in by the NRM government. And I want to appreciate you and congratulate you to have the twins. I'm also Salom. You shouldn't ask me where the Barongo came from. I and Magogo, we know how to do it. So, is the area MP and the district woman MP, the head of the family, Honorable Sam Rakojo, my speaker, the district speaker, Chairman LC3s who are here, the Mayor, Madu Town Council, the religious leaders, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I want to welcome you, our Right Honorable Speaker, to Gomba. Gomba district is among the 25 districts which were cut off in 2010 to various other districts. And we have so far moved for about 13 years. We are moving slowly but very steady. We know where we are going. Gomba has 2 constituencies, that is Gomba West and where you are standing now, and Gomba East. There, as you enter from Tambara, you enter Gomba, that is where Gomba East starts. But unfortunately, the MP of that constituency is not here, normally doesn't want to associate with the NRM people, not knowing where he came from. So he took that advantage. He became a member of parliament, but it was due to some problems which erupted from our leaders. And it may also happen this time. I want also to explain this matter to you, that what caused the NUP to take over that constituency was because the district, I've got my speaker. Where is the speaker of the district? Yeah, Honorable Gomba Emmanuel. The one who was working as a MC is my secretary for health and education, and is a councillor representing this sub-county. I have also another secretary for production and marketing. Is behind you. It's called the Honorable, because they said the Honorable Councillors, we call them